I messed up tonight. I lost another fight.
The new South African record is 613 kilograms.
I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything, try everything, try everything. Look how far you've come, you filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough, take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up, no need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them. Let's get it started in here.
Okay, so here we go. This is the one patch, there's the other patch I've already prepared. Cover crop I'm using here is a mustard and oats. There's the oats. So the oats is for nitrogen, the mustard for biofumigation, it suppresses the bacteria in your soil. Okay, so I'm going to do this now. I'm going to mulch it first with a lawnmower. The area is small, so don't need a tractor. Lawnmower, mulch it a bit, and then I'm going to use the tiller to till everything in.
Try everything.
Looks like a nice green carpet. Everything is evenly spread. This looks nice and fine. So now, step 2.
On the road again, moving on forward.
That's it, all done. Nicely tilled up. You'll see I did not go full depth of what I wanted. You'll see some of the roots are actually still stuck here. The reason for that is I'm still going to add some more compost and some other products which I'll show you now, and then eventually it will be to the right depth once I'm finished. Okay, so here we go, let me show you. There we go, that's it. More or less evenly spread. Next step is now to till it in. As you've noticed, all of the materials I've used there is all organic.
Keeping it organic.
A lot of people have wondered, what are we doing to get those pumpkins so big? It's all about the genetics. All done and dusted. Next step is to bring that compost in here.
It's your heart, it's your love, it's my love. In a hurt wild world, it's
Thank you to little Megan. This is what we want to see. Alright, and then here we go again. The depth I'm looking at is 200, which I've marked here. From there to there is 200. So let's see what I've got. This is the area where all the roots will grow in. This is the most fertile area. So today is the 5th of July. What I want to show you here is what you must do before you plant your pumpkins. Get your patch as even as possible, flat. This side you'll see it's a bit curvy. This side is up and then it goes back down in the same this way and this way. So this is a high point over here where the pumpkin will grow. Today we are preparing the planting hole. This is where the pumpkin will be planted. Yeah, this is from last season. I've imported this material here. Last season, the red material. I've mixed it with the in situ material, but obviously I didn't mix it very well. Now this is 1 meter deep. I still need to go another meter. That way I take out a total of 2 cubes. Let me show you what my soil looks like at the bottom. So this is what I'm stuck with. So that's the reason why I take out 2 cubes. So I've imported more than last season. Imported 100 ml last season. This season I will go 200, and this I will mix into this somehow. Here's also example. I didn't mix the material very well last season. If I can do it in this room, anyone can grow a big pumpkin. This material I'm going to put back again this season. I'm not going to get imported material. Right, model is filled. Now we're going to add some mycorrhiza, humic fulvic acid, just a little bit of that, a little bit of potash. We'll mix that in together. Then we'll add the heating cables and cover it up again. Right, here we go. Right, so here we have it. Here's the heat mat installed. 4 markers for future reference, and then I've also added feeding pipes that goes a little bit deeper, about 300 deeper than the heating mat. That will be direct feeding to the roots, because the main vine and the stump you want to keep dry, so you're not going to add water on top here. It will be from that areas. Right, now to cover them up. The heating mat is in, plus the watering pipes. This is the thermostat, which will be connected up to power, to tied it up here.
Let's get ill, that's the deal. Applicator will bring the bug dot drill. Just lose your mind, this is the time. You can't stand still, twist and bang your spine. Just bob your head.